So let's have a look at this question. It's a word question, and many people somehow are afraid of word questions. Don't be. We just need to read the information carefully and see how to go about solving the problem. In an office, 2/3 of the telephone bill is paid by Tom, 1/5 by Azuma, and the remaining by Tina. What fraction is paid by Tina? So the first thing we need to do is just visualize what the information is telling us. Let's use a visual cue. Let's take a circle to represent our whole, because fractions normally represent wholes. And out of this whole, 2/3 here, that looks a bit like this, 1/3 and another third is paid by Tom. So let's put a T here. And 1/5 is paid by Azuma. And we're being asked to find out which part is paid by Tina, T-I. So in other words, we should add what Tom is paying, we should add what Azuma is paying, and deduct it from what is there at the beginning, which is the one whole. So 2/3 plus 1/5, that is what Tom and Azuma are paying. And when we get our answer, we're going to subtract that answer from 1. So why don't we put that in the bracket? So that's what it looks like in order to solve it. So 2/3 plus 1/5. Find our common denominator by finding the LCM, which is going to be 15. So what have we done here? Times 5. So this becomes 10. And what have we done here? Times 3. So this becomes 3. So we have 13/15, representing what is paid by Tom and Azuma. So if we want to know Tina's share, so we're going to basically take 1 minus 13/15. Well, again, we need to represent the 1 as a fraction. 15/15 here would be 1. Take away the 13 over the 15, so we're going to be left with 2/15. So a question like this, as I said, try to visualize it first. Yes, we're being told that one person is paying so much, another person is so much out of a whole. And if we want to know what the last person will pay, or any other people will pay, first we need to work out what the others are paying and subtract it from the one whole. Now, the one whole can be represented, of course, as a fraction. And in this case, one whole is the same as 15 out of 15, meaning all of the parts. And when we subtract what the others paid, then we're left with 2 out of 15. I hope you understand that. And if you do, have a go at some questions just to prove it to yourself.